Pablo Escobar better than the modern man. Well, stay with me. I'm not promoting any sort of crime or drug dealing and stuff like that. My whole objective of this video is to focus on the moral thing that he did at the end of his life and how this represents a more higher moral character compared to any average man that we have around this time. So before starting, I would like to give a brief intro about who Pablo Escobar is. Well, long story short, he did some good stuff like created like charity welfare, hospitals, children park, and stuff like that. And at the same time, he did a lot of bad stuff like drug dealing, kidnapping, torture, uh, corruption, and stuff like that. But my main objective is what he did at the end of his life. So there is a very famous story attributed to Pablo Escobar that while he was fleeing away from authorities, his airship crashed, and he, along with his family and a stack of money that he was giving away from the government and authorities, also crashed along the way. So the region that the crash happened was a very cold region, and uh, and his family was obviously feeling cold. So there was his money in his bag or whatever the stuff he was carrying, and it was around $1 million as per the reports. Some say it was around $10 million, and some have different statistics. But we are not talking about how much. We are talking about what he did with them. He literally used them as a fuel, bro. Like literally as a fuel, like a timber to give warmth to his family. So what I'm saying is that he used money as a fuel, or in easy language, I would say that he used money as a tool. Like it should be. But the case with modern man is that he don't use money as a tool. In fact, he use all things other than money as a tool to earn more money, or to stack up or stash up more money, even if it is the more unhealthy way possible. Compared to Pablo Escobar, he used money to nurture his relationships, to protect his relationships, his love, and all those things that he truly valued. So this is a paradox of modern man. Eh, Other than money, we don't value anything. All we think about is money, how to earn more money, and then it feeds other things like ego, lust, and other stuff. Now, I'm not talking about any other dude or criticizing anyone. I'm talking about myself. I'm also a part of this average modern man. And to correct that, let's see what I can do. Now, as a modern man, or I should say, as an average chill guy, I would say that I will first try to look into my own character, that who I am truly. I'll make a list what things are there in me that are good, what things are there that are truly bad, what things are there that are feeding my ego, and what things are there that are humbling me. Then I will try to stick with one bad thing at a time and then replace it with one good thing just at a time. One thing at a time, that's it. Single step per day. And then eventually I will keep repeating it over and over and over again until it becomes a part of my character. Something that's truly natural, something that I don't have to, fake up or show off in front of others. Even if I'm alone, even if I'm in the public, even if I'm with my friends, that should be a part of my character, something permanent, something that stays with me forever till the end of my life. So this is the end goal. And relating with the Pablo Escobar example, I will be telling that yeah, we should take inspiration even from the negative people, because oftentimes they might teach us things that even our role models might not teach. In fact, our role models can teach, but the thing is that we don't learn from them. uh, our mind has this so-called shadow banning type of stuff to the good stuff. So that's it. Start iterating yourself one day at a time, and you will feel much better, not just towards society but also towards your own self.